What is going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Fish and GrubbZ. Sorry to have another unboxing in a row, but I actually wasn't even going to get a video up tonight, but now I have this, so let's try and do this unedited. We're just going to run right through this. I'm going to upload it. Boom, it'll be done. So I found this really cool Instagram page that raffles out swim baits, and I gotta say it's a pretty lucrative deal that this dude has going on, because you can win baits that are really expensive for not much money, and but he's actually, it looks like he's making a good amount of money off of these waffles. But anyways, they call them waffles.
Why?
I don't know. But anyways, we just won one, and our bait just arrived. So let's rip this open and show you what we won. I will also leave this gentleman's Instagram linked down below. I think I spent like 12 bucks on the entry for this, and this here, I got my hooks here. Trebles, and this is the Illude Lizard. This thing is freaking sick. Like, gorgeous bait. Absolutely gorgeous. This is my first ever swim bait that doesn't have like a joint. My crawler, it obviously doesn't have like joints in the middle, but it does have the wings, so it is jointed in a way. This one doesn't have any. So this is my first one of its kind. I'm stoked to add this to the arsenal. Really pumped about this bait, guys. So I had to come out here and say hello to you all and show you that really cool bait that just got here. So we'll leave the Waffle House linked down in the description below if you guys want to join in on winning swim baits, because that's freaking dope. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Fish and GrubbZ. I'm out of here. I hope you guys have a great night. Fish out.
Wonder if all my bad decisions get accounted in the algorithms. No statistician could dissuade me from my bigger vision. I know my occupation's quite an unlikely place in this world to occupy and talk about upon a daily basis. Our information's predetermined by some biased business. We all in sermon to silicon that push out lovely neighbors. I'm done with paper chasing, think I'm on to bigger banquets. This that full circle, new wave, energy on a Tuesday.